Well, you might have noticed that I'm often quite disorganised. This is another one of those classic last minute decisions. Today I'm going to go and try and do a Sota activation, and one thing, if you know anything about the Marlborough region, is that there's while we have a lot of hills around, a lot of them are really hard to get to. They're either on private property or you have to walk a very, very long way. So to actually have one that you can get to easily is quite unusual. I saw actually yesterday or last night when I was looking at the New Zealand On Air New Zealand website that there is a summit which has not been activated and is remarkably close. It's in Picton, and so I'm going to try and activate that. I've put down an alert, and the summit's only 185 metres, which given my current fitness condition, even I should probably be able to get up. So I'm going to head out there now. We're going to pick up Gerard on the way. He's going to come for the ride, and hopefully we're going to find the summit. Now the summit is just off a bit of a track, and one of the other challenges is sometimes knowing when you're actually at the summit if it's not clearly signposted. So I've got the GPS coordinates for it. This could end up being a long-winded walk in the bush, and we might end up lost. Who knows? But we'll give it a shot, and hopefully we'll actually get to activate a new summit. Anyway, we'll go out there and we'll catch up soon. Right, so we're here in Picton now, and now we're going to walk and hopefully locate, with the use of the phone and my superior technical know-how,
navigation,
the right location. Wish us luck, because I don't necessarily guarantee that we'll be successful, but it's not too cold and it's a nice day. Do you remember how I said how hard can it be? Well, it's very hard. I can't find this summit. I'm looking, the GPS isn't updating quite right, or I don't know, it doesn't seem to matter which direction I move in, I'm not getting to where I need to be. Here's but this is what I'm faced with, and this is actually a clear spot. Now there is actually a natural high part over there, but as I go up there, we seem to be no closer. I think we're going to have to revisit this, regroup. It's been very hard work getting this far. So what I think I'll do is I'll go back down the bottom, and this is actually part of a park which I did try to activate some time ago, and I only got 2 contacts. So perhaps we'll go down, set up somewhere else, and get some better numbers for that. So the entire day hasn't been wasted, but I'm gonna have to do a bit more research on this one. Classic. It's always more difficult than you anticipate. Next time I should be quiet at the start of the video. Keep my mouth shut. Okay, back down I go. Well, we're not actually at a summit. The summit's over there, and we're nowhere near it. Instead, we're in the park. So we're just got on the back end of someone else's activation in another park. Turn it down, and we'll try and get some more numbers for here. It's a very nice day, and it's a nice location. Xiegu Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Xiegu Pota.
ZL3 November Lima Alpha.
ZL3 November Lima Alpha, you are 5-9 here in Marlborough, over.
Yeah, good morning, Nick. The handle here's Nick. Thank you for the 5.9. You're also a good 5.9.59 here into Christchurch QSL.
Thanks for the 59 and thanks for coming back to me.
73 is nice to make the contact. Have a
10:41.
great activation.
Perfect copy, isn't it?
Yeah. Siki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota. Siki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota. I did put a spot up just before.
Yeah.
Siki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota.
ZL2 November Echo Bravo, ZL1 CZ. Good morning.
Good morning, ZL1 CZ. You are 5 and 5 here in Marlborough, over.
QSL, you are 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 56 into the capital this morning. QSL.
Thanks for the 56 and thanks for coming back to me.
No worries at all. Could I just grab the park number, please?
Yes, the park is ZLP, Mike Bravo, 0091.
Roger, thank you very much for Mike Bravo 0091 73. Have a good activation.
73s. 10:44.
Zulu Lima 4, November Golf.
ZL4 November Golf. You're 5-9 here in Marlborough, over.
QSL the 59, you're 5 and 7. I'm over here in Nelson. The name is Norm, Norway Oscar Radio Mike, over.
Hi Norm, my name is Nick. I think I've spoken to you before. Yes, you were in Nelson, I think last time we spoke. You had a very clear signal then as well, and you've got a very, very clear signal here now, over.
Okay, very good. Well, thanks a lot. And yeah, I'm running a full 100 watts in an unfed half wave, so that's probably why it's making it up over the hill.
Well, it's doing a fantastic job, so thanks for coming back to us.
Okay, 73. Good luck with your activation. We'll talk to you again. ZL2NEB, ZL4NG. Cheers.
Siki Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota.
ZL3QR, ZL3 Quebec, roger.
ZL3QR, thanks for coming back to me. You're 5 and 8 here in Marlborough, over.
Roger, likewise Nick, 5 and 8.
Oh, well, thanks for the 5 and 8, and thanks for listening out for me. I think we speak almost every time I do one of these, over.
Yeah, we doubled there, Nick. What's the park number, over?
Sorry about that. The park is ZLP, Mike Bravo, 0091.
Roger, got that. Now that wasn't the one that you had listed that you were heading for, so I take it there was a change of plan.
I was trying to do a summit, and let's just say I didn't find the summit, and after a lot of time spent struggling to climb through the bush, I've opted for another option.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that works out. That's understandable. Okay, thanks, Nick. All the best.
73. This is some ZL3QR. I think every activation I've done over the last wee while, he's always there. He's always listening. Siki Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota.
Where's he from?
I think he's in Christchurch.
Okay.
Siki Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota.
So most of these guys would have been at home, wouldn't
Yeah,
Yeah.
100 watt guys, I
Yes,
think,
yeah.
obviously. Siki Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota. It's quiet though, eh?
they? Oh,
The last time I did this, I got a guy in New Caledonia.
Ah.
I only got 2 contacts, and he was one of them.
Oh, wow.
Siki Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Pota.
It'd be a couple of hours earlier, of course.
Yeah, he was on holiday or something.
Oh.
Or he'd been there for work, I think. Work as well.
Frustrating because now you've got a spot out there you can't really move in. Can you?
No. Siki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. Yeah, you sort of pegged to that frequency once it's been spotted.
I suppose a lot of them do it just, you know, if you're really into it, you're just, you know, retired or whatever. Probably take 3/4 of an hour each morning or so, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
10 till 11 or so. Yeah.
Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. Seems like 10 o'clock is the
Yes, what fun.
is the time. They've all wandered off to their coffees now.
Yeah.
Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You need a few more for Puck, wasn't it?
Yeah, last time I only got 2, so.
Okay.
Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. But I didn't I mean, it was very early on. I didn't realise the sort of time that I should be trying to do it, you know, like the popular times. Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota.
ZL3CR.
ZL3CR, you're 5'9" here in Marlborough, over.
Roger that. Thank you very much. You're 5'9" also. Waiderary Beach.
Thank you for the 5'9", and thanks for coming back to me.
Cheers.
10:54. Thanks, Joe. 73.
Well, keep going.
Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. It's always like that. Just one more. It's like fishing. One more cast. One more cast. Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota.
Remember last time I used it, it got, this bit warm, but it's just the sun on it, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. People use those cooling kits. You can get a cooling kit for it. But I think if they're doing digital, perhaps it makes sense. But
Yeah.
Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. I've never thought there was really a need for this.
But I, like when I did it on that 1st of January on the river, I should have took a little shade.
Yeah, I mean, why would you make a radio and paint it black? Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. Should probably create a white mod kit for it or something.
Yeah.
Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. Or even just plain aluminium would be better. Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota. ZL3 RIK. Good morning, Rick. You are 5'9" here in Marlborough, over.
Roger, I'll give you a 5'9" also. Well done.
Well, thanks for the 5'9". It's not too bad for our little 20-watt G90, over.
Did you say 10 watts? Hey, great.
Well, 20 watts. So, well, that's what it says on the dial. Who knows what it really is in real life, over.
Well, that's right. Hey, well done for going out there and getting and doing these sort of things, Nick. I won't be QRV until about 3 o'clock. I'm just sort of partially loading up the car now.
2 more, so close. This is what's going to happen, I can tell. Seki Pota, Z02 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota.
ZL1 DK Sota.
L1. Could I have the call sign again? Over.
ZL1 Delta Kilowatt Sierra. Over.
Delta Kilowatt Sierra. ZL1 Delta Kilowatt Sierra. You are 5'5" here in Marlborough. Over.
ZL2 NEV ZL1 DK. Thank you very much for that 5 and 5. You are a 5 and 9 to my Sota summit. Over.
Well, that's quite impressive given what we're using. Where is your summit? Over.
ZL1 GI155 in Gisborne. Over.
Okay, thanks for that. I'll look that up later. And thanks for coming back to me. I only need one more. Seki Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, Koniseki Pota.
Yeah, Zulu Lima 3, Mike Romeo.
Mike Romeo.
Yes, right.
Z03 Mike Romeo. You are 5 and 6 here in Marlborough, over.
Yeah, QSL the 5 and 6. You're about a 5 and 7 up here in Mount Alfred. I'm on a Sota Picton.
1102.
Thanks for the 5 and 7, and thanks for coming back to me. I hope you have a good rest of your activation there as well, over.
Yeah, roger that. I don't know if you want the summit number or you'll just look it up later, over.
I can look it up later, but yeah, I hope the weather's treating you well, over.
Yeah, perfect. Not a cloud in the sky and no wind, over.
Well, we have very similar conditions here, but yeah, well, hope you have a good rest of your time. 73.
Yeah, good luck with your activation and 73.
Maybe the T41 is not working.
Yes.
Xiegu Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Xiegu Pota. I'll have to edit that out. If he hears me say that, you will not be impressed. We actually have enough now. We were trying to get Neville to get so we could get the last one. Oh dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. We've got 11. So we're actually done. Anything else is a bonus. Xiegu Pota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Xiegu Pota.
So yesterday I thought I'll put something of pattern on it.
Okay. Well, maybe that's it. Let's call it quits. We've got the numbers we need. What's happening down here?
You've got a good strong signal today as well. 5-9 there, over. John, 5-9.
ZL2 November Echo Bravo. I'm going to call it quits now. I've got 11 contacts for this park. Thank you for helping with the activation. Hope you all have a good rest of your day. ZL2 November Echo Bravo.
Roger. I'll give you a 5-9 also. Didn't know you were going up. Okay, 70.
This is one of the downsides of the G90. There's not a lot of downsides, but one thing is that the volume control goes from like nothing to quite a lot in a very small movement.
73. ZL3 CTN. Charlie Zulu. In.
Let's pack up. So we managed to at least get something done today, although not actually what we were looking for, but it's a very nice day here today, and it's nice to be outside anyway.
73.
Okay, I'll pack this up and we'll head off and do something else. Thanks for staying with me.
It's your mind.